Guys, it's Camille here back with a new video for you guys. If you guys can hear me and talking really well. You guys probably wondering where I am. I'll give you a tour where I am. I'm at my aunt's house and I'm in my cousin's old room that he just moved out like last week. And all his stuff is gone now and it's an empty room. It does not look the same. It looks way smaller than it used to be. But yeah, so we put the bed in here. We did stuff. This room is still a little bit messy. They did not clean it out or nothing, so I'm sorry. Yeah, the reason why we're here is because Hurricane Irma might come in. So, yeah. Let me just give you a tour. Over here is empty. There's a window right there. I'm gonna have my stuff over here. My suitcase downstairs. Sure. All that. There's a door over there. That's like all written. It's a mess in here. Just look at that. Closet. My grandma's stuff is over here. Me and my grandma are sharing this room. My mom and my brother are downstairs. And my other brother is on the loft. In the hallway. So yeah. Anyways, I'm actually going to bed right now. I didn't vlog the whole day. It's currently 9:08. Tomorrow we'll be getting the hurricane at 8 o'clock. Hopefully no later than that because I would have been probably really mad. I feel like in here to make some good videos. Like now I want this to be my room. I tried to fix up my hair because I didn't have time to do it in the morning because this morning was crazy. Like we woke up. My mom had to wake me up and I said, "Mom, is it here?" She's like, "No, but it's happening." So I was like, "Oh no." I was so scared. And then I was calm like for a long time. Like hurricane's not gonna be that bad. It's really good. It went down to a 3, went back to a 4. So I'm not that worried anymore because it used to be a 5. So I'm really scared. So sorry if I'm really looking at myself. I'm supposed to be looking at the camera, so I'm gonna try to look at the camera more often. Like it's weird. My grandma's coming. He just finished taking a shower. Took a shower in the morning. So I'm good. And we had to run out the house so quick. It was flooded already, so I'm scared to see how it is now. Oh no. Oh my god. Well, yeah, that was just a little update on what's going on. So I will have to upload these videos after the hurricane, so it's going to be like late. But it's actually September 9th. So yeah. That's a little update. It just started raining and thunder and lightning, and then it stopped. I told you guys I would try to vlog, and I am. Everybody's gonna start videoing more of the hurricane. My cousin's gonna be on Snapchat, Instagram. She has all the stuff. I don't know what the name is. I don't want to ask her. I really want to convince my cousin, she's 17, to make YouTube videos because I feel like she's gonna get like a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. So yeah, I think I'm gonna ask her. She'll be like, nah, I don't got time for that. But yeah, so anyways, that's an update on this. My brother is making a video too, so go check out his channel after the hurricane. So bye. Subscribe, like, comment, share. And